Hey, if you're looking for a ultra heavy duty trailer hitch, you got to check this one out. Now, the brand sent this to me. My fault. This is a 2.5 inch shank for a 2.5 inch receiver. I've actually got a 2-inch receiver on here, so this isn't actually going to fit. But stick around. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. Here's your hitch, right? And this is just going to go ahead and slide on here once that's in, right? And then you're going to be able to adjust this up and down. What I like about this thing is so heavy, is that this rotates, okay? You've got a 2 5/16 ball, 18,000 pounds rated. Turn it, you got a 2-inch ball, 15,000 pounds rated. You got your 1 7/8 ball, 12,000 pounds rated. And this tow hook is actually 12,000 pounds rated as well. Now, of course, this receiver, look, you can go ahead and you can put it this way, right? And you can adjust down, or we can flip it around and we can raise up even higher. But you've got adjustability 8 inches in between there. All we're gonna do is just slide the pins in, slide the other one in. They go in very easy. Just slide your clips in, and now we are locked in. And from there, we can choose the ball size, right? And then all you're gonna do is slide your pin in. You're gonna be able to lock your receiver in on your vehicle. It's anti-theft. This is a much bigger and beefier version than what I've seen from others, but these are so easy. Watch. You just put the key in, turn it, and you see how that pops out? So easy. Watch. There you go. Lock it in, pop this on, put the key in, turn it, pull it out, and now we are locked on. I just got to get the right size for my receiver here. I've got the 2.5 inch. I need the 2-inch, but yeah, definitely pick it up. It's going to serve all your towing needs just fine. So there you have it. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.